beef jerky. Just the mention of it can make your mouth water. Just the word conjures up images of chewy, savory goodness. It's a snack that has stood the test of time, offering a unique blend of flavors and textures that are hard to resist. It's the kind of snack that satisfies like no other, perfect for a hike, a road trip, or just a quick bite. Whether you're scaling a mountain or cruising down the highway, beef jerky is the ultimate companion. But have you ever stopped to think about how this simple yet delicious treat is made? The process is fascinating, involving a blend of traditional methods and modern technology. Beef jerky seems like a modern invention, but its roots go back centuries. Ancient civilizations, from the Native Americans to the Egyptians, developed methods to preserve meat for long journeys and harsh winters. It's a testament to the ingenuity of people who found ways to preserve food for lean times. They used techniques like drying and smoking to ensure that meat would last, providing a reliable source of nutrition. Today it's enjoyed by millions around the world, a testament to its enduring appeal. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the quiet countryside of America, beef jerky has found its way into the hearts and stomachs of people everywhere. Join me as we journey into the world of beef jerky, exploring its history, its production, and the remarkable flavors that have captivated taste buds for generations. We'll uncover the secrets behind its lasting popularity and discover why this ancient snack continues to thrive in the modern world. The origins of beef jerky can be traced back thousands of years. Long before refrigeration, ancient cultures needed ways to preserve meat. Drying it over fires or in the sun was a simple yet effective method. Native American tribes, particularly those in the Americas, perfected the art of jerky making. They used various meats like buffalo, elk, and deer. In South America, the Inca people made a form of jerky called charqui from llamas and alpacas. These early forms of jerky were essential for survival, providing sustenance on long journeys or during harsh winters. Today we might not rely on jerky for survival, but it still holds a special place on our snack shelves. The magic of beef jerky begins with the raw materials. The journey to that perfect bite starts long before it reaches your taste buds. The star of the show is, of course, beef. But not just any beef will do. The quality of the beef is paramount. High-quality cuts with minimal fat are essential for the best flavor and texture. Lean cuts ensure that the jerky is not overly greasy and has a pleasant chew. Then comes the marinade. This is where the real flavor adventure begins. The marinade is the heart and soul of beef jerky, transforming simple meat into a flavorful delight. Soy sauce, garlic, black pepper, and brown sugar are common ingredients. Each of these components brings its own unique character to the mix. Each ingredient plays a crucial role, tenderizing the meat and infusing it with savory and sweet notes. The balance of these flavors is what makes each bite of jerky so satisfying. The quality of these ingredients matters. The better the soy sauce, the richer the flavor. Premium soy sauce can elevate the taste profile significantly. Freshly ground pepper adds a punch that pre-ground pepper just can't match. The freshness of the pepper brings a vibrant heat that enhances the overall flavor. It's all about layering flavors to create a symphony for your taste buds. Each layer of seasoning builds upon the last, creating a complex and delightful taste experience. After marinating, the beef is carefully dried to lock in all those wonderful flavors. The drying process is just as crucial, ensuring the jerky has the perfect texture. The end result is a delicious, portable snack that's packed with flavor. Each piece of beef jerky is a testament to the careful selection of ingredients and the meticulous process that goes into making it. So next time you enjoy a piece of beef jerky, remember the journey it took from raw beef to the flavorful snack in your hand. It's a journey of craftsmanship, quality, and a passion for flavor. One of the most exciting things about beef jerky is the sheer variety of flavors available. From classic teriyaki and spicy sriracha, to more adventurous options like Korean barbecue and honey sesame, there's a jerky out there for every palate. Some producers even experiment with unique ingredients like coffee, chili peppers, or even fruit extracts to create truly innovative flavor profiles. The beauty of jerky lies in its versatility. It's a blank canvas for culinary creativity, and the possibilities for new and exciting flavors are endless. Imagine a place where the air hums with the aroma of savory spices, a place where every breath you take is filled with the rich, mouth-watering scent of marinated beef, and the rhythmic whirring of machinery. Welcome to a Korean beef jerky factory, a marvel of modern food production. This isn't your average operation. This is where tradition meets technology to produce a staggering 3 tons of beef jerky every single day. Here, the ancient art of jerky making is elevated by cutting-edge machinery and meticulous processes. The process begins with carefully selected cuts of beef arriving at the factory. These cuts are chosen for their quality and flavor potential, ensuring that only the best meat makes it into the final product. These are inspected, trimmed of excess fat, and scrutinized for any imperfections. The workers here are highly skilled, their trained eyes catching even the smallest flaws, and then sliced into thin, uniform pieces. The precision of the slicing is paramount. Each piece must be just the right thickness to ensure it dries evenly, and has that perfect, satisfying chew. The thinness is crucial for ensuring the jerky dries properly and has that satisfying chew. Each slice is laid out meticulously, ready for the next stage of its transformation. Next, the beef embarks on a flavor journey. This is where the magic happens, where the raw meat is transformed into a delectable treat. It's submerged in giant rotating drums filled with specially crafted marinades. These marinades are a closely guarded secret, a blend of spices and seasonings that give the jerky its unique flavor. The rhythmic tumbling ensures every piece is evenly coated. This process is crucial, as it allows the flavors to penetrate deep into the meat, ensuring every bite is packed with taste. The aroma in this section of the factory is intoxicating. A tantalizing blend of savory, sweet, and spicy notes. It's a sensory overload, a preview of the deliciousness to come. The workers here are surrounded by these mouth-watering scents all day, a constant reminder of the delicious product they are creating. After marination, the beef slices are carefully laid out on drying racks. This is another critical step, as the arrangement of the slices can affect how evenly they dry. The racks are then placed into large drying ovens, where the beef will slowly lose its moisture over several hours. The temperature and humidity are carefully controlled to ensure the perfect texture and flavor. Once dried, the jerky is inspected once more. Each piece is checked for quality, ensuring that it meets the high standards set by the factory. Only the best pieces make it to the packaging stage. Finally, the jerky is packaged, ready to be shipped out to stores and customers. Each package is sealed to lock in the freshness and flavor, ensuring that the jerky reaches you in perfect condition. From the factory to your table, every step of the process is designed to create the best possible product. So the next time you enjoy a piece of Korean beef jerky, remember the journey it took to get there, from carefully selected cuts of beef to the final, delicious product. The marinated beef then moves to the heart of the operation, the drying ovens. These aren't your grandma's food dehydrators. These are state-of-the-art ovens that precisely control temperature and humidity. This ensures the jerky dries evenly and consistently, achieving that perfect texture, chewy, never tough. What sets Korean jerky apart is often the smoking process. Many factories use traditional wood smoking techniques using woods like hickory or oak. This imparts a smoky depth of flavor that elevates the jerky to another level. Throughout the entire process, quality control is paramount. Expert technicians monitor every stage, from the slicing of the beef to the drying time, to ensure each batch meets the highest standards. Once the jerky emerges from the ovens, perfectly dried and infused with flavor, it's time for packaging. High-tech machines weigh and bag the jerky with incredible precision. This ensures each bag contains the perfect amount and helps maintain freshness. The packaged jerky is then boxed and ready for distribution. From this single factory, 3 tons of beef jerky will make its way to convenience stores, supermarkets, and eager consumers all over the country. The scale of production is impressive, but it's the dedication to quality and flavor that truly sets this Korean jerky factory apart. Beef jerky, once a simple method of preservation, has become a global phenomenon. Its popularity has skyrocketed in recent years, and for good reason. It's a convenient, protein-packed snack that satisfies cravings for something savory and flavorful. From its humble beginnings to its modern-day incarnations, beef jerky has come a long way. But one thing remains constant: its ability to satisfy our taste buds and connect us to a long culinary history. Whether you're a seasoned jerky connoisseur or a curious newcomer, the world of beef jerky offers a taste adventure waiting to be explored. The future of beef jerky is looking bright. As consumers become more health-conscious, they're seeking out snacks that are high in protein and low in unhealthy fats. Beef jerky fits the bill perfectly. We can expect to see even more innovative flavors and ingredients emerge. Producers are constantly experimenting to create the next big thing in the world of jerky. So, the next time you reach for a bag of beef jerky, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get there. From ancient traditions to modern technology, it's a snack that has stood the test of time and continues to captivate our taste buds.